The rapid and successive changes occurring in the world, including climate changes, storms, floods, rain, forest fires, earthquakes, and successive and rapid disasters around the world, are a matter that calls for contemplation and an attempt to find an explanation for them. The idea of the existence of intelligent life outside Earth may seem to have a hand in what is happening on planet Earth is an unlikely idea, but the massive appearance of unidentified flying objects around the world in recent days, and the similarity in the way they appear to emerge from a ring gate that appears from nowhere in the sky, is mysterious. Strange UFO lights and sky gate in the night sky above a field in Texas. On the night of May 15th in Texas, a series of strange lights were observed hovering above a field, where a rancher keeps his cattle. The lights appeared to move slowly above the tree line and then descend below the trees. The sighting occurred during the late hours of the night, accompanied by a thick layer of fog on the ground. The video footage captured by Angela, the witness, provides valuable visual information regarding the incident. However, due to the presence of fog, portions of the footage are unclear and out of focus. Notably, Angela was outside recording the video when the lights began moving rapidly behind the trees and in her direction. Fearing for her safety, she retreated indoors. When she attempted to continue recording from her kitchen window, the lights had disappeared. Extraterrestrial UFOs. The observed lights bear some resemblance to reports of unidentified flying objects, commonly associated with extraterrestrial activity. Their ability to move in unconventional patterns and sudden disappearance align with typical UFO sightings. Also, the exit of these flying objects from a mysterious gate in the sky, as stated by the witness, excludes the possibility that the source of these mysterious flying objects is terrestrial technology. Mysterious flying orbs emerging from a ring gate in the sky, at night, in Florida. In Florida, United States, a peculiar phenomenon was captured on an infrared (IR) camera, revealing the emergence of mysterious flying orbs from a ring-shaped gate in the night sky. The video footage indicates that these orbs were only visible through IR technology, and were not discernible to the naked eye. The video, captured with an IR camera, offers a unique perspective on the observed event. The footage shows multiple orbs emerging from a ring-shaped structure in the night sky. Notably, the orbs are not visible in the absence of IR technology, suggesting that they emit or reflect IR light. The time and date displayed on the video align with the occurrence of the event, providing temporal accuracy. The observer's speculation regarding an electrical field as the cause of the flying orbs is a plausible hypothesis. Electrical discharges or plasma formations can produce similar visual effects. However, further investigation and scientific analysis are necessary to confirm this hypothesis and identify the specific mechanisms involved. Also, some natural atmospheric phenomena, such as ball lightning or atmospheric plasma, have been associated with similar visual characteristics. These phenomena are not yet fully understood by science, and require extensive research for conclusive explanations. The ability of UFOs to hide from the human eye is proven in many observations throughout the long history of UFO sightings, but they cannot hide when it comes to infrared photography. Unlike what happened in the previous two cases, UFO object emits ring in front of path in the skies of Texas. A witness reported a unique sighting of a UFO object that emitted a ring-like formation in front of its path. The witness attests to capturing limited nighttime video footage using their iPhone. The object appeared star-like and exhibited movement towards the east and then further south. Notably, the object emitted a substance that transformed into a cloud-like ring. Due to the darkness, the witness was unable to determine the object's distance or size. Subsequently, the object moved southward and eventually disappeared amidst cloud cover. The skeptics' explanations were as follows. Natural phenomenon. The emission of a substance that transformed into a cloud-like ring could potentially be attributed to a natural atmospheric event. Certain meteorological phenomena, such as a contrail or a cloud formation caused by temperature changes or turbulence, may exhibit similar characteristics. Unconventional aerial vehicle. The observed object's star-like appearance and unconventional behavior may suggest the presence of an unconventional aerial vehicle. Advanced military aircraft, experimental drones, or other technological artifacts could exhibit properties that seem mysterious or unfamiliar. Optical illusion. In some cases, optical illusions can cause objects in the sky to appear differently than they actually are. Atmospheric conditions, lighting, and visual perception can contribute to misleading interpretations of observed phenomena. The witness's account of a UFO object emitting a ring in front of its path presents an intriguing and unique sighting. The limited nighttime video footage captured is conclusive evidence that what happened is beyond the capabilities of humans, and that there is a great possibility that there is intelligent life somewhere in this vast universe that is much more advanced than us and is responsible for such unique observations. Bright UFO light sighted in the sky with no movement, an emergence from a ring gate in the skies of Texas. A witness in Texas reported sighting a large, bright UFO light in the sky that remained stationary and exhibited peculiar behavior. The witness also recorded a green object flying around the bright light, capturing several recordings and pictures. The recordings and pictures captured by the witness are crucial for understanding the nature of the observed phenomenon. Detailed analysis of the visual evidence could potentially reveal important characteristics of the objects and help determine their origin or nature. It is essential to consider factors such as the quality of the recordings, the stability of the objects, and the presence of any digital artifacts or anomalies that may affect the interpretation. Skeptics also tried to explain the sighting as a natural phenomenon, but thorough analysis of the recorded evidence and collaboration with UAP researchers, aviation experts, and defense authorities can provide additional insights into the observed phenomenon. It is essential to approach such sightings with an objective mindset, considering multiple possibilities and avoiding hasty conclusions without sufficient evidence. UFO object emitting ring gate in the skies of Nevada observed from a commercial jet. While flying as a passenger on a commercial jet at an altitude of 32,000 feet, a witness reported sighting a UFO object emitting a ring gate in the skies of Nevada. The observation was made through the window of the plane, providing a unique vantage point. The witness, a passenger on a commercial jet, reported witnessing a UFO object emitting a ring gate in the skies of Nevada. Further details regarding the witness's observations, such as the appearance, movement, and size of the object, are not provided. Skeptics tried to explain the vision as a natural phenomenon. Certain natural atmospheric phenomena, such as cloud formations, atmospheric optics, or meteorological events, can sometimes appear unusual or unfamiliar. These phenomena can create visual effects that may be mistaken for UFOs. But the witness confirmed that it was not a natural phenomenon, and that it was not the result of optical illusion, but rather it was strange activity of an unidentified flying object, and that it did not resemble anything he had seen before.